Now we are going to start with another activity just to demonstrate in front of you that the chemical reactions take place, right. So the second activity what I have for you is the reaction of zinc with dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4. So HCl and H2SO4, you know that they are acids. So what kind of acids I am using in this reaction? The dilute one. So the dilute, what does dilute specify? It means that the acid which has more content of water in it, right. So two acids I am going to use. I am going to use dilute HCl and I am going to use dilute H2SO4. And the metal which I am going to use is zinc, right. See, the zinc occur in nature in many forms, like sometimes you get to see in a book that zinc rod is dipped. Sometimes you get to see zinc coin is there, right. Sometimes you get to see zinc granules are there. So you are not concerned with the forms which are actually involved in the reaction. We are just concerned that that form is made up of what substance. As I told you, like when I am saying zinc rod, if somebody asks you that there is a reaction of zinc rod with dilute H2SO4, it is just going to be similar with the reaction which is shown when the zinc coin react with dilute H2SO4. So that means the form doesn't matter. What matter is the constituent, you can say the present in the substance, that is the whether it is a rod, whether it is coin or whether it is granule. We are just concerned with the substance which is actually the constituent of that form, right. So that means the reaction is just going to be same. So see, what is the second the activity? What I am going to do, I am just going to react the zinc with dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4. So before I will show you or demonstrate an activity for you, I will just write the equations involved so that you can have an idea prior seeing the activity, right. So what is going to happen? We will have the zinc granule or rod or coin, you know that, and I am going to react with HCl. So when we react zinc with HCl, so what happens? It forms ZnCl2 plus H2, right. And the second reaction I have, I am reacting zinc with dilute sulfuric acid. Again, what is going to happen? Zinc, we know that the valency is 2 positive, 2 negative, and we have this plus. So what is going to happen? Zinc is going to react with this SO4. So what it is going to form? It is going to form zinc sulfate plus H2. So these are the two reactions, that is the formation of zinc chloride and the formation of zinc sulfate, we are just going to observe in this activity, and moreover we will get to see the gas also, that is the H2 gas. Just look at the activity carefully.